Father, remember your children. Remember your children. For the sake of your covenant, I am connecting everybody here to the miracle of Genesis chapter 30 verse 22. And what the God say? God remembered Rachel and opened her womb. My children, your day of joy has come. It's a day of remembrance. Power. Oh yes, me woro me marama. Aye. Oh yes, me woro me. Oh me woya kasi. Spirit of delay, spirit of delay. Up. Oh, when the monster did the spirit in Oku. Oh yeah, hey, you will run, you will run, you will run, you will run, you will run like eagle, you will run like lion. Standing in Akaji. Who will change the law? Who will suspend the law? My God will use you to break negative pattern. My God will use you to break protocol. Now, every siege from the family, every problem from the family, my God will use you to break that siege in the family. My God will use you to break that siege in the family. Hey, my God will use you to break that siege in the family. As a priest of God, I prophesy. Ababa wonagio, ababa won. Ezeniga baba wonagio, bigo banere makai.
Last year, July was the last I came here. And before I traveled out, I told God things I was praying for, that if I come back, that they will all turn to testimony. Within that period and this period, God healed me of stomach ulcer and arthritis.